Hello, 8th grade science. This is our third instructional video for Unit 6, Week 1. And this follows our last activity of the week, which is our provocation. And it should not say Unit 3 provocation, because it's Unit 6. Did I do that with the vocab? No, okay. Double check. Excuse me. The goal of the provocation is we're going to be learning about different types of storms. These are probably ones that you've heard of, you've seen, maybe you found or researched them in the extreme weather assignment earlier this week. But really the goal is to learn about different types of storms. And our success criteria is you can identify some features of each storm, find some similarities between different storms, which is really a lot like what we did in that Pear Deck activity in the previous activity, and then explain why certain storms form in certain areas. What about that area's climate leads to these certain types of storms? If you look at our lesson plan portion, what we're going to be doing, we have our bell work, and then we're actually going to watch in chunks this really cool documentary I found my first year teaching called Inside the Mega Twister. So it's about the largest tornado ever recorded, the El Reno tornado. And what's really neat about this documentary is it's from the perspective of different storm chasers, like minute by minute throughout that thunderstorm, and then when the tornado touched down. So this is the whole file. I want to say it's how long is it? It's over an hour, I know that. Oh, it's only 33 minutes. Huh. Anyway, so I only really want you guys to watch the first 5 minutes, and then I'll link in, because there's certain spots I'll have you stop at and things like that. So you guys can watch the first 5 minutes and then just hit pause or stop. There is a Jamboard activity that I'd like you to watch, or not watch, to do. So this is really the goal is really is only to draw different types of weather. So you're going to draw a thunderstorm, a blizzard, a sunny day, and a tornado. And just like we've used Jamboard for these kind of drawing activities in the past, you can trace things. So you can insert an image. Let's say I want a thunderstorm here. I would click on that. I would go to Google Image Search, type in the storm. Let's do that one. You can insert that image, make it as big as you want. And then what I went and did, I zoomed in because that makes it just a little bit easier to do the tracing. And then you just start picking out your tools and you trace. And that way you can make it more realistic. Now, do you have to do this? No. But I know some kids who really want to put some effort into it. I usually like to print these things. So like for the in-person kids, they'll do it on paper. But you guys, I'd print yours and put it up. But those are some things you can do. And then after you're done tracing, then you just get rid of the image. And that would be left. I'll show you, if you look on the second page, this is like a one I made this past year, 2020, 2021. And that was done by tracing. I just kind of made that up. You see my cow and the tornado and a sunny day. And I made a lot of these up. This one I did trace, I remember, at least for the lightning pattern. And that just kind of gives you an idea. It's fun and pretty and something I can hang up in my room. So that's kind of the goal of that. I'll explain how to do the directions when you're done with your Explore in this video here. And then there is a CFA this week, mainly going over the notes that we took and just some of that entry-level vocabulary. So make sure you watch the video for the directions, do your CFA, check your checklist, and you should be good to go. Have a good day. Bye.